welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can actually add apps to your Apple CarPlay on your iPhone. What you need to do is just go to your app store here, and if you want to add any app, you just need to tap get, and it will automatically download it to your phone. And by doing this, it will automatically come to your phone, and now you need to see if that app supports your CarPlay. Many apps that doesn't support your CarPlay, you need to check it out. What you need to go to settings, and after going to the settings, as you see that there is a journal option. Just go into journal option, and then there is a CarPlay option. Just tap on it, and here your car will be sign up, in which their Apple CarPlay is installed. After doing this, a screen like this will come up, and from here you can actually add or delete the apps. On the bottom of the section, as you can see that this is the negative sign. In the bottom of the section there is a positive sign. The positive sign actually shows which apps should be shown in your Apple CarPlay. So that's how easy you can add or delete from your iPhone to your Apple CarPlay apps. I hope you understand, and if you still wanted to figuring out, just let me know and I'll try to make another video for you. Until next video, bye bye.